Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm gonna show you how to make zucchini no cheese yaki. It's zucchini grilled with Parmesan cheese. There is nothing Japanesey about the dish, but zucchini is in the best season now, and it's so easy and so good. So I just had to share this. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this zucchini no cheese yaki. So stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need. Some zucchini, garlic paste, salt and pepper, olive oil, Parmesan cheese, and black pepper, all as much as you like. Let's cut the zucchini. Cut the top and the bottom off. Let's cut it into 6 to 8 in a long way, depending on the thickness of your zucchini. This one is a bit too long, so let's cut it into half. Prepare oven sheet lined with parchment paper. Put the zucchini, some salt and pepper, olive oil, garlic paste, and toss. Parmesan cheese, and black pepper as much as you like. And let's just grill this until it's nicely browned, 250 degrees Celsius. Grilled for 20 minutes, and it's looking and smelling so good. Let's try one. Itadakimasu. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. Zucchini no cheese yaki is a side, so it goes here, and some sort of pickles, either store-bought or homemade for the other one. How about Ika no wafu pasta here, which will also cover the main, and egg and celery soup here. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye.